Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I have a beautiful Lexus in for an interior detail. Well, I should say it will be a beautiful Lexus once I'm able to get all this dog hair removed. My question in the video is this: did you get anything nice for Christmas? Drop your answers in the comments below, and while you're there, leave me a gift and hit that like button. I'm so glad that this vehicle came with all-weather floor mats. It's going to make the cleaning of the carpet so much easier. The first thing I'm going to do is get these carpets vacuumed up. I'm starting in the cargo area of the Lexus and working my way to the front. And while I have a moment, I'd like to congratulate the JNLT channel for guessing the movie quote in last week's video. Listen carefully and see if you can catch the quote in this one. If you do, drop it in the comments below. Even though there is pet hair all over, this Lexus doesn't have that impossible carpet anywhere. It's not the highest quality carpet, but at least it's not the super cheap stuff. Otherwise, this dog hair would be a nightmare. I'll use my aniline brush to get the pet hair that the vacuum doesn't remove. I have this and all the other products I use linked in the description below. When I say the pet hair was everywhere, I mean everywhere. I even had to vacuum the trim. Now this is just the first vacuuming stage. You'll notice I'm not getting the carpet absolutely 100% cleaned at this point because I'll be giving this whole thing another vacuum towards the end. One tool I didn't use much in this vehicle was my tornador because the pet hair was so prevalent. Using that tornador just would have blown it all over the place, but I was able to use it on this little piece of carpet that I was able to remove. The carpet wasn't very dirty because of the all-weather floor mats, but there still was a slight smell of dog, so I wanted to refresh it and remove that odor. Fortunately, I was able to use PNS Terminator and Carpet Bomber to remove the smell and leave it smelling fresh. Now, there's no need to use an extractor on this carpet since the dirt wasn't really embedded, so I used a large supply of microfiber towels to pull out the slightly dirty solution. Since removing the seats wasn't necessary, one of the toughest spots to clean is the area between the front seats and the center console. I picked up this nylon brush online that allowed me to clean up this area and make it look new again. These vinyl seats were completely covered in dirt from the family dog that seems to have a run of the vehicle. Make sure to watch and see just how crazy the 50/50 looks. Next, to move on to all of the trim. I decided to use CarPro Inside on the trim and the seats since it's a little stronger than my usual P&S Express, and I knew the family dog had touched or licked every surface, so I made sure it was all completely clean. Usually the center armrest is one of the dirtiest parts of the detail, and this one could be the poster child for why you need to clean it regularly. I applied 303 Aerospace Protectant to finalize the look and give it some great UV protection. Once I have finished treating all the surfaces, I make sure to wipe everything down to remove any excess dressing and leave everything looking like new. These all-weather floor mats did a great job of protecting the carpet, but they took a beating, so I wanted to get them cleaned up and looking like new. There weren't many stains on it, so I cleaned them with some P&S Express. I used my drill brush, and then I apply some Gum-Affix at the end to leave them looking brand new again. I'll use my Scrub Ninja, my Stoner's Invincible Glass, and a squeegee. I'll also make sure to use an absolutely clean and dry microfiber towel, because if you don't, all you'll hear from these windows is, "We're going streaking!" The exterior was just a little too dirty to do a rinseless wash on, so I still wanted to make sure the door shuts were cleaned up nicely, so I used my rinseless solution to get them looking spotless. This Lexus turned out fabulous. If you enjoyed the video, go on down, hit that like button, and share it to your friends. I have a couple more great details linked on the screen. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.